Hey, fellow hustlers. Welcome back to BoostFlux, the go-to spot for all things money-making. And today, we're diving into the topic, how to earn money from part-time jobs. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our wealth of money-making tips. All right, let's jump into it. Video editing. First up, we have a skill that's in high demand in the digital age: video editing. Whether you're a pro or just getting started, platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are gold mines for video editing gigs. Picture this, turning raw footage into cinematic masterpieces and getting paid for it. It's not just a job, it's a creative journey that can fill your pockets. Graphic designing. Now let's talk about unleashing your artistic side with graphic designing. Companies are always on the lookout for eye-catching visuals. Websites like 99 Designs and Freelancer connect you with clients seeking your creative genius. From logos to social media graphics, your designs can make a lasting impact and, of course, earn you some serious cash. It's like turning your passion into profit. Typesettings. Next on our list is a skill that might be overlooked but is equally valuable. Typesettings. If you have a knack for arranging text and making it visually appealing, this is for you. Think about it. Businesses, bloggers, and authors all need someone with your skills to make their content stand out. It's the art of making words not only readable but memorable. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. 3 part-time jobs that can turn your creativity into a paycheck. Whether you're into video editing, graphic designing, or typesettings, there's a world of opportunities waiting for you. Encourage engagement. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your creative pals. And hey, if you're already rocking one of these part-time gigs, share your experiences in the comments below. I love hearing about your success stories. Until next time, keep hustling, keep those dollars rolling in. Cheers.